Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Back at the bathroom down the basement here. So today I'm going to try to get this wall built, and what I'm going to do is I think I have enough room from the wall to the center where my tub is, and this pipe for the vanity gives me a little bit of room in between. I'm going to, if you like, follow it up. I'm going to come off of here and 3.5 inches out. So my studs are going to be like this. So when I get to this side of the pipe, I'm going to cut the wall back towards the furnace and bring the wall up, so if you're sitting on the toilet right here, you're not squished against the wall. You have a little bit of space, and that's all I could basically do. So I'm going to get started with that now. So what I came up with here is a little jog out. The wall will end right at the vanity. My drain's just going to be a little cattywampus, but the wall will go kick in. If you're standing on this side, my copper pipes will be within that wall. I got the top plate on the other side of the beam. I'm going to come down with a wall here, stud, 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 and then tie these two together. There's still nothing I could do about this wall right here, unless I glue drywall. I need 12 inches to the center of this pipe. I guess I could maybe drill some furring strips and put some 3/4 furring strips on that wall. I don't know, it's just a pain in my ass because he had he had this trench open. He could have put that pipe, anywhere, and he chose to put it in a very inopportune place. So I got this framed in. Little jog out. Now I'm going to make a soffit to clip over top of this. So this little wall will continue out, and then there'll be wood underneath, so I could screw drywall and make that be incorporated within the walls. So I'll get started on that little doodle.